Everything happening in my life is coming from my energy, from my past. The moment you don't feel good, notice there's always a tendency to say, how do I connect with my higher self? It's a common question everyone has, right? I don't feel anything. Why? So Hooponopono is a process of problem solving. Certain common cleaning words used in Hooponopono.
So let's discuss Hooponopono, the Hawaiian reset. And I know you're an expert in this. Can you throw a little bit of light on this? Because I, for a starter, had never heard of this term till I came across your profile and I had to research it. So let's explain to our listeners, what is it?
Hooponopono is a Hawaiian word which means to correct, to change, to transform, to heal. So the process is revolved around a simple philosophy that everything happening in my life is coming from my energy, from my past. And I need to take responsibility for it. So I need to stop the blame game. What makes the process very unique is it's a beautiful way of going within and connecting with the subconscious, looking at it like a child. So this whole concept of inner child is given a lot of importance in the process. How do you begin the process? The moment you don't feel good, notice there's always a tendency to say, I wish he would have said yes. I think, this is not going to work out for me. This is always the pattern. You see, your mind is running to several thoughts. The moment you notice that I'm not feeling good, stop, breathe. In Hooponopono also, breathing is given a lot of importance. In fact, the word Hawaii, Ha, in Hawaii actually comes from breath of God. Va comes from water. And I actually stands for infinite intelligence, which is God, divine. So, all three are given importance in the Hooponopono process. Water elements, your breathing, as well as connection with your higher self. How do I connect with my higher self? It's a common question everyone has, right? I don't feel anything. Why? Because your memories are so dominant within you that you have forgotten who you are. So Hooponopono is a process of problem solving. That means if there is a problem in your life, that problem is coming up as an opportunity to help you release the past and identify yourself with the real who. Re-establish your identity that you are divine. So I can live this process by doing inner child work. The moment there's a trigger, I start talking to myself as if a mother is talking to a child. So there are certain common cleaning words used in Hooponopono, like I'm sorry, please forgive me.
I was going to ask you that, I researched and it said the words are I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. All these words that are being used in Hooponopono, are these being spoken to self or to your subconscious or the people around you?
Always yourself, because you see, it's a self-healing technique. It acknowledges that there is nothing coming from outside. The economy is not doing well. There is a terrorist activity. I need to clean. Fear coming from outside. Yet Hooponopono says, and it's based on our own spiritual wisdom, that everything comes from your energy. That doesn't mean I blame myself. A lot of people think taking 100% responsibility means I am the reason, I am the sinner. No. I don't know, consciously, unconsciously, maybe through my family, relatives, ancestors, patterns have come to me. In fact, that is why they say that parents should also be aware of this fact that their energy is impacting the children.
100%.
And so everything that you're experiencing today, consciously, unconsciously, may have also come to you from your elders. So Hooponopono is about acknowledging source could be anything. Ultimately, it is coming from energy that is within me right now. Because other people have contributed to this energy. Now, when I talk to myself and my inner child, because where are the memories stored? Inside the subconscious mind.
Correct.
How can they be resolved? How will I clean up? How will the problem be resolved in my life? By convincing my subconscious mind to let go. You see, it's deeply rooted in the spiritual wisdom. There is a part of you that doesn't want to let go. There is a part of you that holds on to your ego self. That is the subconscious side.
So it's again related to forgiveness.
Yes. Forgiveness, repentance, reflection, love, gratitude, they're all deeply rooted into the Hooponopono process. See, most importantly, when you start doing it, you realize you have actually stopped blaming other people. Because your inner child, your subconscious mind is always yearning for your love and attention. In fact, that is why in Hooponopono there is a line. Have you noticed? Wherever there is a problem, you're always there.
Yeah.
It is your boss. it is your husband, it is your wife, it is your in-laws, it is your mother, it is your father, your friend. So everybody around you is sharing memories with you. You are around those people. You will always be around those people the most where you have the most karmic links. So take it like an opportunity to clean yourself up. How? Through your subconscious mind. So when I use the words, please let go, I'm sorry, I don't know from where this may have come up, but we can let this go. Please forgive me, my family, ancestors for creating it knowingly, unknowingly. The moment you say this, no, because you're also using ancestors, you kind of feel that you're cleaning for everyone. In fact, this is so deeply connected with our own spiritual wisdom that our ancestors also need to be free, which is why we have all, the rituals we perform
Yeah, we
for
do.
our ancestors. Why? Because they are living inside us. Even though physically they are not there, if they are not liberated and free, they live through us. And as I work on myself, I'm freeing everyone, including my family. So the most important aspect of the Hooponopono healing process is when you're cleaning on yourself, no? Let's say I'm cleaning on my money problems. Even future generations may not have a money problem in your family because you're cleaning on yourself. You're taking responsibility. Even the past members, perhaps who are not present anymore, they passed away. They, let's say, passed away with money issues, anxiety, stress, and they are not free yet. They are waiting for you to clean up so they can be free. So even if one person in the family takes responsibility, you do it for the past, you also do it for the future generations. That is the power behind the process. If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.